Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy what you see today. What I'd like for you to do is to hit the button down there in the corner, hit the subscribe button, then I want you to hit the bell button. That way you'll see all the new videos that come out. And then what I'd like you to do is go down there to the like button, hit like. That way more people can see it. And that's what we want to do, is show more people how to do stuff like this. That way they know how to do it. So we're going to get started. I got a door latch right here, and I apologize for the way the sun's doing. Sun's going down a little early now. When I took this off and I was putting it back, the bolt broke. So luckily I had another one that's the same size, same everything, that I'm going to put back in there. So we're going to have a socket that's going to be a 10mm and a ratchet, and then we're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. So we'll get started with this, but after we do that, this is my seatbelt thing I took off, and it won't go down. See, it just locks up, it won't go. It's supposed to be mounted right here. So I'm going to go down there, undo that, let it back up, and then put this in, and then work it back down to where it works again. So we'll get started on this. I've already pre-done some of the loosening. That way it doesn't take near as long for you to see it. Okay, here we go. We'll take this off. And once we get this off, everything should slide right off. And you can see, like I said, when I painted, it has got some paint underneath there. All right there where it took some paint off. Now we're going to take the needle nose pliers. And you're going to put them right here. And you're going to turn. And you're going to get that broken one out. Sometimes they'll be further in there. If they are, take the end of it, the tip of the needle nose pliers, and get it out that way until you can actually hold it this way. Okay, so we're going to do this. And it's going to come out. Get to where you can move it with your fingers. And then you'll take it out. And then see, there's your broken one. So we're going to put this back, and make sure you put this back on the right way, otherwise your tailgate will not shut. I'm going to put both in. I'm going to line it up over here with the hole, and then I'm going to start it up. Just a few little turns. Okay, then I'm going to pick it back up, get it where it needs to be. I'm going to take the other one that I have and put it back in there, and then we'll just tighten this up. Now, a note I will let you know: make sure that you do not over tighten this, because that is the reason why it broke for me. I did not realize that it would break that easy. So do not over tighten it. Now, what we'll do is see if the tailgate was shut without messing up anything. See how it goes inside the door hinge right here as a guide. So we done good. So we'll take this back, and then we'll finish tightening this up. And then once we get this tightened up, we'll start on the other project. Remember, do not over tighten it. That's snug enough. Alright, now that's how you replace your door hinge latch on your tailgate. Now, moving forward, on the seat belt, you have a nut that's at the bottom down here mounted to the floor. And I'm going to use a 3/4 inch socket to take that off. Okay. They took it off. This is what was mounted to the floor. Now I'm going to have to sit inside here a little bit because we're going to mount this back. And I'm going to have to look inside of here to mount the bolt into here. But before you put this on, there's a little tip back here, if you can see it. That's got to hook into this hole up here to lock it in. Once you do that, then you can put your bolt in. If you put the bolt in first, you'll never be able to get that in. So, we're going to bring it up. We're going to try to see what we can do here. See if we can get this thing to come back. It doesn't seem to be wanting to work with me. Well, it's coming, but it's not letting go like I want it to. There we go. It's starting to go. It was. Well, it seems to be a little stubborn with us. I apologize. This shouldn't be this difficult.
Your boxer in a long time. Do you have it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
He's still in the house.
Oh. We just hadn't been by when he was out.
Right.
Or she.
Right. It's been a little cool out.
Yeah, we only go out and come in.
Right. I don't blame you one bit. You have a nice day.
You too.
We almost got it. And now it wants to go back the other way. These are the stubbornest things. The seatbelt locks, they don't want to let go. There we go. Now we can mount it. You're going to take this bolt to go back in there, or this hole. First you got to put that lip right in there. Because if you don't get that done, you won't be able to get it in there. Okay. Now we're going to have to use this T50 star bit to take out this bolt that we're putting in, or to put the bolt back in. Sorry. All right. So I apologize if my head gets in the way, but I have to bend down and make sure I got it in the right spot. In case you haven't noticed, this is very small space to be working with your hands. Alright, we got that on. Pull this back down. Put this back on the bolt that's coming out of the floor. Put your nut back on. Remember, it was a 3/4 inch. And then once you do that, you'll tighten that up, and then you'll be good to go. There you go. A little bit of a pain, but we got it to work. So again, thank you for watching my channel. If you have any questions, drop them down there in the comments. I'll show you or tell you what you need to know. If I don't know, I'll figure it out. But don't forget, smash that button down in the corner. Hit that like button. Hit that bell so you can see all the new videos. And a little bit of a teaser, I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around my Jeep where I've been redoing it. It's not finished, but I'll do what I can do and show you. So look forward to that. And then, don't forget, hit that smash button over here to subscribe. And that bell. And then that thumb. Thank you.